What is the sign convention? According to sign convention, if we make like this, and this is the origin 0 0, and this is the along positive x-axis, and this is the negative x-axis, and a positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Okay, so from origin, this is the origin. From origin, the right side is always taken as a positive. Okay, this is always taken as a positive, and along negative x-axis we take negative sign, that is a negative distance, and on upward, that is a y-axis के लिए positive, and towards negative axis means minus negative. Okay, so for solving the numericals we use the sign convention in the mirror and as well as in a lens. Okay, in case of mirror, if we make a concave mirror like this, so we draw the principal axis, and this is the pole of the concave mirror. So if we consider here as the origin and here as the pole same, okay, from pole the in the right side we take the positive sign for distance, and for the and for left side we take negative. Similarly, in case of the pole, from pole left side we take negative, and we take negative, and in this side we take the positive. Okay, similarly in upward direction, that is we take positive and we take negative. So it is very helpful in solving the numericals. Okay, similarly for a convex mirror, that is a convex mirror. Convex mirror, the principal axis, the pole, focus, and the center of curvature. Similarly, in case of the concave mirror, you can take principal focus, center of curvature, and this is the pole. So in the case of the concave mirror, convex mirror, here the focal length and the center of curvature or radius of curvature from pole, radius of curvature are as taken as a positive because it lies at the right side of the mirror, and this distance is taken as a negative. Similarly, in case of the convex lens, this is the optical center, principal axis. So here again we repeat sign positive, and the optical center is at this side we take negative sign, and upward positive and downward as a negative. And similarly, in case of the concave lens, in case of concave lens, the optical center, principal axis, we take again positive, negative, positive, and negative. Upward direction positive, downward direction negative. Okay, so in case of the concave mirror, convex mirror, convex lens, concave lens, we use the sign convention same, and for the right side we take the positive, and for the left side we take negative, and it is very helpful in solving the numericals.